Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make your image move on CapCut PC. Okay, here I have imported or added my image to my CapCut project. And if you want to make your image move, the first thing you're going to do is clicking on the image like this. Then you're going to use keyframe button to make your image move. So this is the keyframe button. I'm going to apply keyframe for the position and size. And we can use this line to help us place the keyframe. For the first keyframe, I'm going to place right here. I'm going to place it at the beginning of the video. Then we can just click on the keyframe button. And for the first position, I'm just going to select this one. I'm not going to change the position and size as well. Then for the second keyframe, I'm going to place it right here at the end of the video. Then just click on this keyframe button and I'm going to create movement. So I'm just going to rotate this image like this. Okay, and I'm going to make it smaller, so I'm going to scale it, so we can tap on scale like this. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. So this is the movement that I have just created, and for the movement you can adjust it. You can create movement as you want, and this is just for an example. And alright guys, that's how we can make our image move on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.